Good morning from snowy Maine this morning. We got about 5 inches on the ground now. That's fresh and it's still snowing hard. So I thought we'd make blueberry muffins this morning. I've had this recipe for a very, very long time. I'll put everything in the description box below. So let's get started. You need a large bowl and you need a muffin tin right here. A 12 muffin tin, and I'm going to put the dry ingredients in first, and then I'm going to put the wet ingredients in first. So here we go. 3 cups of flour. So you can see here going in. I use King Arthur, but you can use whatever you'd like. That just happens to be my preference. 3/4 cups of sugar. Yum. I'm trying to cut back on sugar. 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, right here. 3/4 teaspoons of salt. Whoops, that's the vanilla, I'm sorry. That's powdered vanilla. That's 1½ teaspoons of powdered vanilla, but you can use extract. It calls for extract. But I like this. Oh, if you could smell this vanilla. This vanilla came from Mexico. And it's pure. Oh, word, it is so good. And if you can read Spanish, that's what it says on the back. It smells really, really good. Now we're going into the salt. Okay. You're just going to give this a little stir, just like this. And then you want to make a well in the middle to put the wet ingredients. Stir it. And when you make a well, you want to go like this and leave the middle, like with a big indentation. It's the best way to describe it. That's how you'd make a well. Sorry if I'm getting a glare this morning. So what you want to do is put 2 large eggs, and it called for beaten. I didn't see that. We'll just beat these up just a little. Yabba dabba do. Any egg will do. Put it right in the well like that. Okay, then you want 1½ cups of buttermilk right here. And if you don't have buttermilk, you can use vinegar. You'd use probably about 1.25 teaspoons of vinegar, because we are using 1½ cups of buttermilk. And that's going right in the center of the well. We have a lot here. And then we're going to put 6 tablespoons of softened butter. Right in, just like this. And that's it. Now we're going to stir it very gently. We're going to mix it all in. Mix it all in, just real gently. Hope everybody's having a good morning. Pumpkin's not having a good morning because she doesn't like it when the snow comes off the roof and makes a noise. I don't normally run the TV, so the TV's got to be on to help. And she wants to go back to bed, and she wants me to go with her. I can't go back to bed. I'm going to be in bed long enough here, coming right up. I don't need to be in it now. And they did say that the batter's going to be lumpy. I've had this recipe for a long time, and I used to make this for my farm stand when it was blueberry season. So Ray is going to really enjoy these because he hasn't had them for a while. And I think I'm going to have the one I'm going to taste test, I'm going to have it with a cup of tea. That ought to taste pretty good. Okay, I'm not going to mix it too much more. I don't want to overmix it. And then you want to take your blueberries, 1½ cups of blueberries, and you want to put a little flour in to coat them, so that way they don't stick together. And then you're going to just put them in. I'm going to mix a little at a time. You also want to have be preheating your oven at 350, which I'm doing that now. And you want these to bake for 20 to 25 minutes. And these are local blueberries from Fayette, Maine. High bush blueberries. I like the low bush, but under the circumstances last year, we got high bush. It was much easier for me to pick. Okay, this is going to be so, look at the blueberries in there. That's a lot of blueberries, isn't it? Yummy, yummy in this Grammie's tummy. I don't want to overmix them either. And then Ray used my ice cream scoop. Never puts it where it should be. Now I'm going to use some oil to spray my pan. Normally I spray it over the sink, but I'll spray it here. Usually have it all ready, but I've been paying attention to poor little pumpkin. Like I said, she's not having the best day. Okay, get your pan sprayed up. Now I got to use this ice cream scoop. Not my favorite, but it will do. And you want to fill these about 3/4 full. Oh, Ray's going to be so happy to see these. I might have to do some up. I did 8 freezer meals yesterday, and I've got 6 big family packs of hamburger to work up today for the freezer. Getting myself all prepared, my meals, so Ray doesn't have to cook for the next few weeks. There we go. It looks like it's gonna make more than 12. Like I said, it'd been a while since I used this recipe. That's okay. We'll have some extras. Yum, yum. I can get some to take to my dad. That's the only place I'll be going to. I will not be going out anywhere now. I don't believe until after my surgery and I start recovering and I can start walking. There. Because there's a lot of snow and ice out there. It says 3/4, but I got so much batter, I'm just gonna whip it right in. Just take a little longer to cook, that's all. Yum, yum. And then you want to top these off with sugar if you want. I could be making extras, but I'm just making extra large blueberry muffins. Oh, yum. I should have, would have, could have used my big muffin tin, but oh well. It is what it is, right? You'll wing it sometimes. Oh, that's an extra big one. These will probably overflow. I hope they come up. Oh well, we're gonna put them out whether they come up or not, because these are really, really good. I know they're good. I've eaten a lot of these. So a little bit. Make sure that you have clean hands. I always wash my hands before I start. Should always wash your hands anyways when you're cooking, baking, or whatever. Especially now, it's cold season time. Wash, wash, wash. The influenza flu is real big here right now. When I went to my doctor's appointment on Thursday, they said it was really, really bad. So all we need to do is catch that. Okay, I'm gonna pop these in the oven right here, and we'll see how they're gonna come out. I'll give it a taste test. Okay, everybody, here I am, and the muffins are done. Let me show you. Look at that. Don't they look delicious? Look at the blueberries in that. Yummy, yummy. I don't know if I can tilt you down. We'll see. Hold on. I don't want to lose you. There you go. Whoops. There you go, just like that. I have a new camera set up and I'm not really liking it. It's very difficult. There. But I have one right here I'm gonna try. And they came out really good. Everything will be in the description box below. So look at that. Let me get the other half. Look at that. And by testing these, what you do is put a toothpick down, and if nothing comes out, or you can take a fork, but see how nice they cooked all the way through. Just beautiful. I'm not using any butter because I'm watching everything I eat. I'm watching it all right. Thumbs up. A+. Got my tea bag, and this is what I'm gonna have. It is Lady Grey tea. So I'm gonna sit down with a muffin and have a cup of tea. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up so YouTube can recognize it. And you never know what's gonna be on my videos, neither do I. I didn't know until early this morning. This is what I was gonna make. So you can find me on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. And we'll see you tomorrow. God bless. Have a great day. Bye.